Hey, it's Jim Parr here. And what if I told you you could start making money this year using nothing but Google Maps? No prior marketing experience, no tech skills, no coding. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection and willingness to learn and be consistent on going after these. So you can do this from anywhere in the world. This is one of the simplest, most overlooked businesses. The best part is anyone can do it. A 10-year-old could do this. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to use Google Maps to find businesses, offer them a simple solution, and get paid every month, month after month. And this is an exact strategy that I've shown to countless others. So even as a complete beginner, no marketing expertise, no coding, no website building, no understanding of the marketing business, don't worry, I'm not here to sell you some high ticket coaching program. I personally am not here to sell you anything. All I ask in return is to smash that like button, share this video with a friend, or even partner with them because you could benefit like two or three of you doing this together. Drop a comment below. And once you've done that, afterwards, I'll get you a private link to my step-by-step course, including all my free templates. I've got this incredible guide of all my top AI tools that I'm going to show you a little bit how we use those, and including the prompts that are very valuable. So this is 100% free. There's no paywalls. There's no upsells. If you're feeling overwhelmed like myself many years ago and think that these side hustles require too much knowledge up front, this is different. In the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use Google Maps to find local businesses and offer the simple solution and get paid every single month. That's what I've done. That's how I built my house recently, having that recurring income. So even if you never made a dollar before, you'll be working with these small business owners. Think about it, a roofing company, electrician, hairstylist, massage therapist, all these local businesses that are trying to run Facebook ads or doing SEO. This process is even simpler than that. So we're inside the software that we use to do this with, and I'm going to show you, it's just a couple of clicks. All you have to do is, with the business owner, you click a couple times, and that is it. That the work is done, and then the process begins. So what we're going to show you here, first of all, is in Google Maps. If you go into Google Maps and you type roofers, and we'll just go into Nashville, because that's close to us. So we see roofers here in Nashville. So these are paid ads up here. These are really expensive ads to get into, to be honest. And they're called performance ads or Google Guarantee. And then there's another ad up here. But these guys right here are the ticket. And any of these work. So it doesn't matter what you have. But we've got 4 companies here. And then we just click on this button here, and we're going to open up a lot of different companies here. So basically, if you have a leak in your roof, and I select roofers because it's a good market, they spend a lot of money on advertising and leads. Some of these people spend hundreds of dollars on leads, and we're only going to charge $300 to $500 a month per client for this service. And we just set it up one time and we're done. Obviously, they get their information, but we're going to monitor it for them and charge them for this service every single month once it's set up. So we look at this Mighty Dog Roofing Company of Franklin. So we can see that there's a phone number here, and we're going to go into the software, but just understand that there's a list of hundreds of companies, and this is just one city that we're looking at. So there's thousands of companies to go after, and this service is not being offered by very few people. So it's a missed call text back. So if somebody calls, this number and they don't get an answer because the crew's on a roof doing a job, well, then typically the homeowner is going to look for the next best company and call them. But what if they call that number and right away, if it doesn't answer, it texts the person back and says, hey, we're on a job. I'll get right back to you. And or can I get a little bit more information about your project? So we can have AI kind of implement this conversation with them as though it's basically the roofing company itself. And it'll stop that person. We see at least a 75% increase in people stopping the call, waiting for this person to call them back. And if they can specify when they're calling back, that's even better. So how easy is this to set up? Super easy. We're inside the software. Let's go into the settings and I'm going to show you exactly what we do here. So we have this launch pad here. Basically, we go in, we have the business owner connect their Google business profile, which is what we call these. These are business profiles. And then we click this button here and connect it into an account. So we'll call this Mighty Dog Roofers, if that was the case. And then we simply click this, put in their phone number here, send them a link to download the app so that when somebody does call their company and there's a missed call, it comes up right away on their phone, in their text messages, and they can respond right away to that client. So how do we go about setting this up? I'm going to show you right now. So we just run into settings on the far left here, and we're going to scroll all the ways down to missed call text back settings. So we just click on that. It's going to bring us into the screen where we can edit this. And then we just go into voice and missed call text back. That's all you have to do here. And then you just go down here and you edit this to whatever. So this is, what was the company's name? Mighty Dog. So this is Mighty Dog Roofing. Hey, we're on a job right now. I saw I missed your call. How can I help you? So this will be the text message that will go out. And if this wasn't checked, you just check this and then put in your own customized message here just by customizing this. And then you can even send a test to test this out and see how it works. That's all the setting that you have to do. And then the bottom line is you can go into call reporting in this and you're going to know how many calls they're getting from this every single month. And that's why you can charge for this. And the cool thing is you could go into reporting here, call reporting, or create a customized report, which is new with the software, and basically send them a report once a month so that they know how many calls they're getting, how many missed calls they're getting, because we see with some of our clients that they're missing a ton of calls. They have maybe, and that is even with the receptionist. So they're missing calls even with that because they're either in the back, they're on lunch, they're doing this, doing that. And so we can set this up and offer the service for $300 to $500 a month. So imagine if you have 10 clients at $500 a month, that's $5,000 a month that you can make every single month recurring. And that's what I say, if you're working a 9-to-5 job, this is a replacement income. So if you're making $5,000 a month right now, then basically you can replace that income once you hit that 5,000, quit that job, put in your notice, and do this full time. So if you're interested, again, smash that like button, comment, subscribe, and share this, and I'll get you all that information with that private link. But I appreciate you watching.